You got enough room, you can come around. Come on, you're clear, let's go. How you doing? Well, some people don't know how to drive.
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
You just got photo ID on you, real quick? Yes. I seen you, but I couldn't.
It's okay.
Thank you. Yeah. I mean, if these two cars weren't here, it'd be helpful, but they got it. I don't know what their issue is. I was like, wait, that's not where the inspection sticker goes.
No. Let you stick over there.
Yeah. No, I seen the one in the middle for. If I could just ask you not to stand in the roadway, just. If they hit the truck, it's okay to ruin their day. They hit you, it's never a good day. So what happened? You came out and it just didn't want to start?
Yeah, I need a battery. I got a battery. How long are batteries last?
3 to 5 years. Yeah, most batteries. The lifespan of batteries.
I gotta get another one. I'm gonna do the alternator first. And then have the guys to come out and do the battery.
All right. See the key?
It ain't starting.
No, that's okay. I like to check things, physically for myself. That's just the way I am. I'm prior service Army, and if I can't physically see it, can't touch it, I have my reservations about things. So they didn't clean any of that nasty stuff?
He came and scraped some of that, but he did show me on it. This is bad. And he said,
12/22. 3 years. Not even a little less. Let me grab my jump.
So it's 22, so that's why I couldn't get it. I'm not underneath warranty.
But wait, when you purchased it in 22?
Yeah, so I don't know why.
Oh.
Yeah.
You didn't have the receipt?
No. No, he got this one there. This is
but I'm saying that's the manufacture date. The manufacture date can be different from the purchase date.
That's the date that he went off. That's why he didn't give it to me.
Okay. I don't want to get you angry or anything, but that's the manufacture date of the battery. Normally, you could purchase if you purchase the battery. Right? Let's say you purchased the battery in.
Exactly. That's just why he didn't give it. I would have had him. That's exactly why. Now, I got to call the service people to see if because they got in there confused.
Yeah, that's what you could do.
So this is not the date. So why did he go off this date?
Because you didn't have the receipt, right, at the time?
No, when he lifted up, I said, well, you could tell I got.
Yeah.
He went off of this.
That's normally when you don't have the receipt, they go off the battery manufacture date. But I would call them and
Yeah. Okay.
Let me grab my jump pack. I just want to see something real quick. Like I said, I like to.
It ain't gonna start.
No. I mean, with all that.
My phone's dying.
What kind of phone you got?
iPhone. You got charger in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I put the car right here.
Yeah, you could.
I'm calling. You want the case? still moving up.
He's retarded. I got an idea.
Now go around the block?
Yeah, if you could just put your seatbelt on.
No problem. Because that was just dumb.
It was. I don't. You could see me here.
Yeah, you could go around this block. 000. Yes.
Yes, I'm leaving. You gotta back up. I'm on borrowed time here. Oh, wait a minute. Yep.